Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to install the Intel Rapid Storage IRST driver to fix the problem where your disk is not showing up during Windows 10 or 11 installation. If your storage drive is missing when selecting a disk to install Windows, don't worry, this is a common issue, and the fix is simple. It happens because Windows needs the Intel Rapid Storage Technology (RST) driver. Intel Rapid Storage Technology, also called IRST, is a storage driver and RAID solution built into many Intel chipsets. It's also required when using Intel Optane memory. Without it, Windows might not detect your disk during installation. I'm installing Windows on an Acer Veriton S2710G. At first, I tried downloading the IRST driver from Acer's website, but it didn't work. So instead, I downloaded it directly from Intel's official website. Here's how. Open any browser and go to intel.com. Go to Support, Download Center. Select Memory and Storage. Under Download Type, choose Drivers. Under Operating System, select Windows 11 family. Then, select your processor generation. For 13th gen and above, you may need to sign in or register to see the results. Don't worry, I'll leave a direct download link in the description. Once you find your processor type, click Download SetupRST Terms and save the file. Now, we need to extract the downloaded .exe file. Create a new folder. Copy the downloaded setup file into it. To extract, we'll use a command. I've also left the command in the description. Here's how. Open the folder. Click on the address bar, type cmd, and press enter. In the command prompt, paste the extraction command. After running it, you'll see a new folder with all the driver's files extracted. Next, copy this extracted folder onto your Windows Setup USB drive. Now plug the USB into the computer where you want to install Windows. Boot into your normal Windows installation. When you reach the screen where no drives are showing, click Load Driver. Browse to your USB drive. Open the SetupRST folder. Then go into Drivers. VMD. Select the driver and click OK. Give it a few seconds. And now your disk should appear. That's it. Now you can continue installing Windows normally. I hope this helped fix your problem. If it did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.